Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I am going to tell you how we can learn anything using NotebookLM. So I'm straight get to the point. So here you need to type the NotebookLM URL, or you can search directly on Google. So it is something like notebooklm.google.com. So this is what the screen looks like. So here you will find some featured notebooks created by other people, and below you can see the notebooks that you have created. So I'm considering that you have never created any notebook in NotebookLM, so I will show you how to start. So here on the screen you can see we have this plus new notebook button, so we need to click on that. Here first there will be this screen which is saying upload your sources. The sources can be in these formats like PDF, .txt files, markdown files, if you have any audio or docs file. Along with that, if you have any Google Drive link, any YouTube or website link, and if you have any text, then you can copy paste it. But one feature that I love most is this discover sources feature, where you can discover sources regarding any topic that you want to learn. So let's say I want to learn about prompt engineering. So here I will select this select this radio button, which is web, and then here I can mention the topic name. So here I will mention prompt engineering. I can mention what is prompt engineering. So now I want to learn about prompt engineering. What is that? So for that I have mentioned this topic. So after clicking on submit, it will start searching the sources on their own. So there will be some links, YouTube video where the prompt engineering is explained. So you can see it has gathered few sources from various platforms. So like here you can see this is link of Wikipedia, this is some PDF, and some of the examples also it is pulling. Some of the sources that you don't want, you can uncheck those. So let's say I don't want these two sources and I want everything else. So here you can click on import, and it will combine all these sources and it will create the notebook for you. So this is by using this method we can learn anything. So here now it has access to all this document. It does know what is there inside those documents, those PDFs and links, and here we can click as save to note, so that later time if we visit this notebook we should be able to access it. So here based on the information that we have, we can search anything if we have any queries. So let's say if I ask what is prompt engineering, so it will take the reference from this sources and give me the answer. So one difference between Gemini or any LLM and the NotebookLM is it will only give me result from these sources itself. So here how do I know this? Because if you see this answer, what is prompt engineering, so it has given me definition. Prompt engineering is defined as process of structuring or crafting an instruction. Along with that I can see this one sign over here. So this is a reference, and we will get the idea from where it has taken this. So here you can see from this clue DLN, from there it has picked up this. Okay, so in this way we know, and we are sure that it is pulling the information from the resources that we have provided to it. Okay, so along with that we have a few other options as well. So here you can create video overviews, You can create audio overviews if you want, but the main feature that I love the most is this mind map. So mind map will help me understand the topic in much more structured and organized way. So here if I click on it, mind map, it will start generating this mind map, and once that is ready, you will see the magic, how easy for us to learn any concept. So the purpose of the video was to educate all the students who want to learn anything, so they can use this mind map feature. So now you can see it has already created, so I will click on it and I will just showcase how it looks. So this is how the UI looks like, and where we have this mind map. So for to see the everything, so I have clicked on this zoom out button. So now you can see prompt engineering. Engineering topic is divided into this specific topic, like what is the definition and goal, key prompt element structure. Let's say if you want to see the definition, you can expand it. You can see what you want to see. You want to know the definition, goal, or core concept. So I will click on core concept, and in very short sentence it will mention that core concept prompt is natural language test describing the task, avoid garbage in, garbage out. Okay, so now it's very easy to understand and easy to visualize as well. Let's say if you want to know so you can minimize it if you don't want, so you can minimize it. And now if you want to see the key prompts, if you want the examples, then you can see that the role persona, you can also see, so all this information. So based on the resources that we have provided, based on that only it is going to create the mind map. So let's say if you are someone who is from finance background, and he or she provides the sources from finance background, so you will get this information according to that. So this is really beneficial for students, and from here you can create audio overview as well. So when you create audio overview, it creates a podcast like audio overview, where two people talk to each other, and from hearing that you also gain some knowledge. Let's say if you are traveling, so at that time you can hear this audio overview. Next best part is you can see the flashcard to see more information. You can also create some quizzes. Let's say now you know everything about prompt engineering, you have taken help from this notebook, you have asked your question, now all the concepts are clear to you. So next part is you can see the flashcards if you want to learn quickly, or if you want to give some try exam, so that kind of thing also you will be able to do it with the quiz. So it will take a few minutes. So for video generation it will take like 5 or 10 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes to generate the video, but it is kind of structured presentation of all the ideas mentioned in this sources, and you will get the brief overview, and it is very intuitive as well. So now these prompt flashcards and prompt quizzes are ready. So I will click on a prompt flashcard, and this is how it looks like. So I will expand this window. So here now this is the page. What is the primary goal of prompt engineering? If you don't know that, you can click on it. It will just flip the card, and it will say to design prompts that produce high quality and relevant and coherent responses from generative AI. That's correct. And now there is next question. The process of structuring or crafting an instruction to produce better outputs from generative AI model is known as what? I don't know that, so I can click on it and it will say prompt engineering. So this is how you can learn. So one idea also that come to my mind is, so let's say if you are planning to give interview to switch to other company, so definitely you will have to prepare for that interview, not only your technical skill, but your background and hobbies. On that also the other person can ask you question. So what I would recommend is, you can attach your resume or the information that you want to provide to the NotebookLM, that you can provide, and you can generate the audio overview, and you can listen those two person how they are talking to each other, and which can help you during your actual interview as well. So you can be ready on what type of things can the interviewer ask, so you will have some sort of practice as well. So here the language is also not limited. So here it says you can create languages in multiple languages, so you can take the benefit of that as well. So this is what I wanted to show you. Since this video and audio overview takes too much time, so I won't be able to showcase you that, but I will just check in my previous notebooks, where if I have created any notebook. So okay, there was this Millennia Fastlane book that I was planning to read, and for that I think I created one video. So this is how the video looks like. I don't know whether you will be able to hear the sound of the video or not, but this is how the entire video.
All right, let's jump right in.
So
we're going to crack open the core ideas behind
and I will just fast
it didn't compute,
forward.
you know?
So
it didn't line up with the story he'd been told his whole life about how you're supposed to make money. So he actually works up the nerve to go ask the guy, how can you afford this car? And the answer he gets, it changes everything. I'm an inventor.
Concept.
It wasn't
so these are some of the basic features that you can utilize to learn something new. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I'm making videos basically on coding and AI related stuff. So if you want to keep yourself updated about all the information related to AI, so then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.